Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of nutrition and discover the best foods for keeping your body in tip-top shape? Let's get started. First off, let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. These nutrients support everything from bone health to immune function. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can toss them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or sauté them as a side dish. Next up we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Omega-3s are also great for heart health, helping to lower blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart disease. Aim to include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. Now let's not forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are fantastic sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They help keep you full longer, support healthy skin, and provide a steady source of energy. A small handful as a snack or sprinkled over your morning oatmeal can make a world of difference. Moving on to colorful fruits. Berries, oranges, apples, and bananas are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Berries, in particular, are known for their high levels of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet not only adds flavor but also a wealth of nutrients. Whole grains are another key component of a nutritious diet. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat products are rich in fiber and essential nutrients like B vitamins and magnesium. These grains help regulate blood sugar levels and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Swap out refined grains for whole grains to maximize these benefits. And of course, we can't overlook the power of legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber. They're also loaded with essential nutrients like folate, iron, and potassium. Legumes are great for heart health and can help keep your cholesterol levels in check. Lastly, let's talk about hydration. Water is essential for every function in your body. Staying well hydrated helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and even skin health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. And don't forget, foods with high water content like cucumbers and watermelon can also help keep you hydrated. Alright folks, there you have it. Incorporate these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier body. Remember, it's all about balance and variety. Thanks for tuning in and stay healthy. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health tips.